I want to go back to 2023 and invest in eggs. Seriously, if I'd known then what I know now, I would have skipped gold, skipped stocks, and gone all in on eggs. At that time, eggs were ridiculously cheap, 77 cents per dozen. Meanwhile, gold sats comfortably at around $19.75 per ounce in dollars. And like the old wise king investments, that's what it does. But here's where things get crazy. Fast forward to March 2025. Eggs peaked at over $8 per dozen, before dropping to $5.50 recently. Okay, but gold climbed to $29.14 per ounce. Not bad, right? But let's crunch the numbers. Eggs have massively outperformed gold as an investment. Who would have ever seen that coming? Let's do the math. Gold's price increased from 1976 to 29.14 in dollars. That's about 47% gain. That's respectable. I mean, I would not say no to 47% gain over a couple of years. But eggs, even at their recent dip, that's a 616% increase. And at their peak of $8.05, that's a 944% return. They absolutely destroyed gold. So I know what you're thinking. Wait, are you telling me I should have put all my retirement savings into eggs? No, probably not. This is a perfect example of how data analysis can reveal unexpected market trends. Just looking at the data, egg prices were driven by multiple factors: avian flu outbreaks, supply chain issues, economic instability. Gold, on the other hand, followed a more steady trajectory, influenced by inflation, global events. And while gold has always been a hedge against uncertainty, eggs showed us something somewhat remarkable. Everyday commodities can become speculative assets when the conditions are right. What if we go back even further? Let's go back 5 years, May 2020. Eggs were selling for around 90 cents a dozen. Gold was at $1,700 per ounce. If you invested in eggs back then, sold at the peak, $8.05 per dozen, you'd have made a 794% return. And again, compare that to gold's peak rise, 29.14, it's only a 71% increase. So 794% versus 71, 10x the return on eggs versus gold over the last 5 years. Gold has been dominated by eggs as an investment. Who would have ever thought? So what's the lesson here? Well, sometimes best performing assets are the ones we least expect. And more importantly, data analysis doesn't just confirm what we think we know, it reveals insights we may have completely overlooked. So the next time you crack open your breakfast, just remember, in 2023, these little guys outshine one of the world's most trusted investments up to date. And who would have known?